Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at Tasty Trade and we're going back to why I opened this account in the beginning is I'm going to try to follow these guys and the trades that they make and make money. So right now we have a $20 put that they sold on Matterport for $1.95. That looks pretty promising. Now I've liked this stock for a while. I've been waiting to get in potentially on this one, but haven't done that yet. So it looks like the 59% probability of profit here, pretty good. I like it. I think I'm going to stay right there and stay at about this level. Gotta make it about the mid. Now we don't get the best executions here at Tasty Trade some of the time, so let's just try this. All right. And we have a probability of profit of 50%, 80, and a probability of profit of 67%. That's pretty good. All right, not bad. So, pretty good. Let's go take a look. And it looks like it was filled at 188. All right, I'll take it. All right, over here we can see we now have a put out in January for 20 bucks. Current price is $23.72. Pretty good. All right. All right, guys, that's all I have today. Be sure to subscribe, see how this turns out. And thanks for watching.